Hi, welcome back to Noemi Cooks and Tells. So I've been extra busy lately, but hey, now I'm back and I've made something especially different. So this is the first time I've made this and I'm very happy with how it turned out. So I thought I'd share how to make banana bread French toast. Yes, a yummy combo that I thought would be delicious proof, and it is. So let's get to baking. So this is the delicious loaf that we're about to make right now. So I've already gone ahead and cracked 2 eggs and melted the butter, and we're gonna go ahead and put that in together in a bowl and do the vanilla extract and put in the brown sugar. I haven't tried doing this with regular white sugar. I just really like how it comes out better with the dark brown sugar. So go ahead and give it a nice mix, and that will be the wet ingredients. Peel the bananas and then go ahead and mash them up with the fork. Get them like this. And then we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. So go ahead and get a bigger bowl and we'll put the flour in and the baking soda and add in the salt and mix it up. I would use a sifter, but I don't have one, so I just did it with a regular old hand whisk. So go ahead and put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and then we'll add in the banana and give it a mix. Mix it up, mix it up. So mix it until all the flour and the bananas and sugar and everything is all well incorporated, and you want it to look kind of like a pancake mix, I guess. Yeah. So this is totally optional. You can add in some nuts of your choice. So I have added here some sliced almonds to give it that nice little nuttiness, and mix it in some more. Now we're going to go ahead and pour it into a loaf pan. So preferably a nice medium-sized loaf pan. Make sure you got it sprayed down with butter spray real good. And to add some little extra crunch, I put some almonds on top. Try and be a little fancy, you know, even though it's just for us at home. And I like to sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon on top. So we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. And we're going to bake this for about 45 to 50 minutes or until you do the toothpick test. About an hour later, we'll have this nice, beautiful, goldeny brown banana nut bread loaf. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's so yummy and it smells amazing. So we're going to go ahead and let this cool down a bit and we're going to slice it up. So we're going to go ahead and finish it off to make it French toast. So I like to start it off with 1 egg and a little bit of vanilla extract. Sometimes I add another egg if I'm making, you know, enough for me and my husband. And then I like to sprinkle some cinnamon in as well. And then we're going to do the milk, or half and half if that's all you have, but I just like to use milk or maybe even heavy whipping cream. And then give it a nice mix. And then we'll go ahead and get the pan ready and melt some butter on it. Make sure you have your pan nice and hot, just like when you do pancakes. You want to make sure your pan's nice and hot so you get a nice crispy buttery edge, if that's what you're into, because I am. So go ahead and dip the bread into the egg mixture, and you got to be a little gentle, and then go ahead and put it in the pans. Cook on each side for maybe about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on how crispy you like them. And continue to do that until your egg mixture's gone, or until you've done the whole loaf, or until you feel like you're good and ready to devour them and you can't wait anymore. So here they are. Nice, yummy banana nut bread French toast. And trust me, you probably won't need syrup, but just a little bit won't hurt. It'll taste so good. It's so nice and sweet, and it's just so soft, but yet crispy if you, like I said, if you do the pan nice and hot and get it with lots of butter. And have yourself some banana nut bread French toast just like that, or with some eggs, and yum. Buen provecho. So I hope I encouraged you to make this too. And if I did, give this video a thumbs up. And if you do end up making it, leave me a comment below. I'd love to know how it turned out. If you also have a recipe idea that you'd like for me to show you how to do, or something you'd like for me to make, leave me a comment below. I'm all ears, or actually I'm all eyes, because I'll be reading your comment, I guess. I won't be hearing you. So also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. I try and post at least every week, so I'll be back on that. And I'll see you next week. Bye.